Hello everyone, welcome back to Fix It Yourself. Today I'm going to be fixing the mesh on these windows, and I'm doing this because of a request from a family friend. Sorry if I don't sound audible today, I just got my braces done yesterday. To fix the mesh, you first need to take the frame out. In order to do that, you have to pry open the frame from the window. So to do that, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, and I'm just going to insert it here and try to pry it open. As you can see, I got it out. Now I'm just trying to now I have to pull it outside. So it'll take some time, but after a few tries you can get it out. To take out the mesh, you need to take this black wire out of the frame. In order to do that, you have to figure out where they're detached or not connecting to each other. So as you can see here in this corner, the two wires are not exactly connected to each other. So that's where the string starts or ends. So I'm gonna just pull the wire out. And you have to do this carefully because you don't want to break the wire because you're gonna reuse this wire. As you can see on the frame, there are two clips. We're gonna remove those clips out as we don't need them anymore since they're broken. So this is one broken clip, and this is the second one. Now I have placed the new mesh on top of the frame, and I'm going to use this spline. This is what the black wire is called, a spline, into the frame so that the mesh stays inside the frame. So I'm going to first put the wire in at this edge. I'm going to push down. Just going to keep on pushing down. Don't worry about it being completely in. You're going to be using another tool called the mesh roller or screen roller to put it inside the put the spline inside the frame. So for the screen roller, you can see that there's two sides. There's one that's just flat and the other has like a small divot inside. You're going to want to use this one with the divot inside. So now you're going to take this and you're just going to push it in and just roll it. Be careful not to go back. When you use the screen roller, you always want to go one way. You don't want to go backwards too. So now that we're at the corner, you're gonna take the spline, curve it, try pushing it in, and then you're gonna take the screen roller, you're gonna start pushing it in, just keep on trying to push it in using the screen roller.
Yeah, just check. I think there's something wrong with that.
Now, once you have the excess mesh part out, you're just gonna, okay, it's cut out here completely. Once you have the excess mesh part out, now you can completely take out the excess mesh just using the cutter. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your starting edge, the place where you started it. So I'm gonna go here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the insides inside the frame, but it will still cut the mesh. Okay, so you'll cut the inside of the frame. You'll cut inside the frame, but it'll hit the mesh. So I'll start from this side since I'm right-handed. But I'll go like this. As you can see, that part's out. What we can do is then just cut it. So now that I've cleaned my window, although it doesn't look like that, I'm going to keep this inside a groove here. So as you can see, there's this groove from here to the other side, and I'm going to keep these two springs inside the groove. Now, in order to do that, you also have to know what side the frame should be. So as you can see, there's like this hole inside the frame. That hole should be facing the outside or not towards inside your home. So you're gonna keep the springs inside the groove, push it up, and try sliding it back in. It'll be a very complex, or not complex, but very arduous process. And there you have it. You fixed your window mesh. Congratulations.